Welcome to Top Tech. Today we'll dive into the power and precision of modern cutting machines, along with the top-notch skills of craftsmen mastering this incredible technology. A job that not everyone is willing to take on, but they chose this work and have done an outstanding job, overcoming this challenging situation. Trator de Esteira Bruto de Mais is a powerful track tractor used for forestry, land clearing, and construction tasks. It is designed to operate on rough and challenging terrain. With its robust design, it is ideal for heavy-duty work that requires strength and durability. This machine is a top choice for projects that demand high performance and reliability.
Que bagaceira, moço! Aí é bagaceira, ó. E daí?
The Tractor Paradismonte Tortone is a land-clearing tractor used to remove vegetation, trees, and shrubs. It is designed for forestry, agriculture, and construction applications. This tractor helps in preparing land for further development or cultivation. It is equipped with attachments to efficiently handle tough terrain and vegetation removal. The Valmet 840.3 is a harvester used for cut-to-length logging in forestry. It efficiently cuts, delimbs, and bucks trees into logs in one operation. The machine is designed to handle large timber loads and work in challenging conditions, such as rainy summer forests. It is known for its durability and high performance in various environments. The NF170-4R is a forestry skidder equipped with a grapple crane for loading and transporting logs. It is designed for use in challenging terrains, such as steep forested areas. This machine is highly efficient for moving logs from felling sites to landing zones. Its durable build and versatility make it essential for forestry operations. The Komatsu D51 is a crawler dozer designed for heavy-duty construction, mining, and land reclamation projects. It operates on tracks, making it ideal for rough terrain. Equipped with a blade, it can push materials like dirt and rocks for grading, leveling, and clearing land. This machine is known for its durability and high performance. The Timberjack 405S2 is a forwarder or skidder used in forestry operations. It is designed to transport logs from the cutting site to the landing area, optimizing efficiency in timber harvesting. Equipped with a crane and log bunk, it handles tasks effectively. This is a robust and widely used machine in forestry work. This is a land clearing tractor equipped with a mulching or shredding attachment, commonly used in forestry and agricultural operations. The machine is capable of removing small trees, shrubs, and vegetation, making it highly efficient for land preparation. With its robust and versatile design, it performs well on rough terrain. It is an ideal tool for tasks like land clearing and vegetation management. The day starts off with some challenges for our friend, the TigerCat 1075B. The TigerCat 1075B is a forwarder used in forestry to transport logs from the cutting area to the landing zone. It has a high load capacity and is designed to operate in rough terrain, optimizing efficiency in timber harvesting. Equipped with a crane or grapple, it loads the logs onto the machine. Known for its rugged design and high durability in forestry operations, today, however, things aren't going as smoothly as usual. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next one.